Hi, Martin here, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize split view on Mac. So by the end of the video, you'll be able to easily work on two apps at once, side by side. So let's get started. Okay, so you may have it where you've got a couple of windows that you want to look at side by side. You might think, I've come across this video or this website with useful information. It'd be great to be able to copy that over to Word, but you keep having to go here, click on the other app. Well, this is where split view comes in. It takes away that kind of trickiness of juggling windows and allows you to put them side by side. And this is particularly useful if you don't have a big monitor or dual monitors. This can just help to tidy up that desktop and kind of multitask in two different apps. So the way that we do that is we select the first window that we want, and what we do is we hover over the green button up here in the top left hand corner. So you see now I've hovered for a little bit. We've got a few options. So we've got move and resize, and it shows the left, right, top and bottom, and then we've got fill and arrange. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to move and resize, and we're going to click here on this left hand side. So as you've guessed, it's put it over on the left hand side. So you could do that, and then I could go over here to my YouTube, do the same thing, and I can select the right hand side, and that will adjust the size of the window and then put that on the right hand side. If we look at other options, I'll just move them away. So if I hover over this one, if I go to fill and arrange, so you see I've got whole screen, 2, 3 or 4. So let's go ahead and do 2. What that will do is it's taking my two windows and organizing as it sees best. From there, I could then adjust the size, and then I can move between the two. So once two windows are side by side, so whether you've done that in the way that I just did or the first way putting them next to each other, you can then hover over this bar in the middle, and you know you're in the right spot because you'll see that white bar pop, and you'll also see your cursor change to this line with arrows either side once you click. So you click and hold, and then you can adjust the size between the two, which again, okay, I want to look at my video a little bit more. That's great. Now I'm going to copy and paste over to my Word document. So you can see that it kind of nicely fills the screen between those two windows, and then that middle bar allows us to kind of have a little bit more control over which window is slightly bigger or which window is slightly smaller. So you'll have also noticed up here when we hover over this green button that we can go top and bottom. Okay, so I could adjust that to the top, and then I could move this one over to the bottom. So that may work slightly better for you. And then you'll have also noticed that you can do this with essentially fill and arrange with up to 4 windows. So this can be useful, but it's definitely better off if you've got a nice big screen that you can have those 4 windows in. If you're using like a 13-inch MacBook, having 4 very small windows kind of limits what you can do, but the option is there if you need it. Okay, so there you have it. That is split view on Mac, a great way to organize your desktop and boost that productivity. So if this video has been useful, please give it a like, comment below, and then subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.